What it do, YouTube? So we're at it again with the Moon Performance. Heading down to Tempe. We're gonna check out this other Evo. It was in the last video that posted with the sneak peek with Moon Performance. So we're gonna go check out the Evo, get a small interview, show you some rolling clips, and pretty much get a good shoot in, hopefully. Gonna pick up my brother D. Definitely gonna get some good shots today. If not, oh well. We'll do our best, that's all I can say. Alright, so check it out.
Perfect.
some fool was like, oh, it was wet outside. Like, bitch,
I saw that shit.
Like, are you fucking serious? It wasn't wet, motherfucker.
And then you told him that shit too.
I was like, this shit was not wet, G. You're tripping. If it was wet, my car would fucking do a 360 and I'd die.
What was the other shit he said before that?
So only 25 PSI?
Yeah.
Like, well, what the fuck?
What the fuck is your shit pushing?
That shit's fucking a lot.
I'm like, damn, dude. I'm like, this turbo ain't even awoke until 30. This shit doesn't even wake up until 30 PSI. It's not even, this shit ain't even moving no air. When it gets to 30, it's moving. When it gets to, when I get 42, it's just gonna be moving. I'm gonna be breaking some fucking axles. That's my goal.
To fucking snap the axle?
Snap the axles.
God damn.
I'm gonna tell fucking Fung, like, hey, turn this shit up to the point where I snap some axles, I snap a fucking rod, or my car just fucking like burns all the wheels fucking violently in second and third. I want fucking tire smoke and everything, or you're not doing your job. I want this shit fucking done, bro. He already knows. He's like, all right, I'm waiting for my fucking pumper just shipped out today.
And then it's fucking go time?
And it's go time.
What are you putting in? A double pumper?
Yeah. Dual 450s.
God damn.
Run this bitch up. See what she does.
I need a retake on that one.
So check this out.
Hang on 1 second. All right, I'm ready.
Check this out. It's boost season. We're trying to break shit. We're gonna break people off on the streets. We're gonna break people off at the track. We fucking trying to break axles. I'm trying to fucking blow motors. I'm trying to blow turbos. I'm trying to blow y'all minds. Stay tuned.
There we go.